welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lady Delightful here. If you are new, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, okay? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I slay this lace frontal wig by Ishow hair, okay? So this hair came in fresh, all right? So I literally have to do everything from scratch. So as you can see me doing over here, I'm mixing my bleaches, okay? You can get these products from any hair shop, all right? And I'll leave details of it at the description box, okay? All right, so I'm just mixing, trying to form a paste. Then I splash it on my frontal, all right? Leave it for a couple of minutes, then just give it a wash, all right? And I use these two products to obviously help me wash it. The purple shampoo was to get rid of the Bruiseness, and the shampoo was just to wash it. All right, okay. Look natural, we are going to do a bit of plucking, okay? So use your tweezers to get rid of some of the hairs at the front to make it look really natural, okay? So start off by pulling the hair, and as you can see, this is the side that I've not done yet, and the other side I've plucked it, so you can see the difference, all right? So just go ahead and style the hair to how you want it to be using your hot comb. I love this hot comb. I'll leave details of where I got it from at the description box. So I'm using my Miss Lynn Beach Please bronzing and contouring powder, okay? I'll just be brushing off the front of the hair, the frontal basically, all right, to make it look like my real scalp, okay? All right, so the next thing that I'll be doing is to cut off the lace at the front, okay? Guys, you can leave it on the canvas. Also, if you want to put on your hair and cut it off, that's completely up to you, okay? Very optional, okay? As long as you cut off the front lace, all right? One thing I would say here is that please, when you're cutting, just be very careful. Try not to cut it straight or blunt, okay? Make sure that is like a zigzag kind of, you know, motion sort of way. All right, so as you can see me doing over here, I'm sort of moving the scissors, so have a look. Yeah, all right, see, I'm going like sort of like, yeah, zigzag kind of motion. All right, try doing that, because that is going to make the front of the lace look quite natural. All right, so don't do straight cut, please don't. Whatever you do, don't do straight cut, okay? Brilliant. Do you like my camera? If you do, please check my previous video, okay? And learn how to camera your own hair. All right, okay, so the wig cap I'll be using is the Shine Tight from Primark, okay? I love this wig cap because it matches my skin color, all right? Okay, all right, so I just go in by cutting little holes around my ears just to try and pull my ears out, okay? As you can see me doing over here. All right, then I'll just spray the front of my hair with my Got To Be glue spray, okay? Make sure it's dry, guys. You can just use an elastic band to help it dry out. Then after that, go ahead and cut off the lace, all right? Guys, when you're doing this, be very careful, because you don't want to cut off your skin or your hair or anything like that. So just be very careful. My scissors wasn't really good, but I still managed to pull it out, okay? All right. And when you're cutting, also I would say, please be very careful. I can't even stress on that enough. Be very careful when you're cutting this. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe, okay? Because I've got so much content that I just can't wait to share with you guys, okay? So now, using the Got To Be glue, I'm going to melt the front of my lace. And guys, look at the melt. Look at the melt. All right, okay. So just keep melting, melting, melting. Quick blow dry. Okay, once it's dry, then top it up with your contour powder or foundation powder or any powder that you want to use. Okay, all right, and look at the baldcap method. All right, so next thing is that you just put the hair on your head again. All right, so using the got to be glue, just, you know, stick the hair on your head. All right, okay. As I always say, baby hairs are quite optional, okay? If you don't want to do it, don't do it. I mean, from the beginning, I didn't want to do it because this style is as good as it is. But when I got to this stage, I thought, why not? Let's get the jelly babies out, okay? So just pull quite a few hairs from the front and just use your mousse. She is Bomb Collection, all right? I'll leave details at the description box, okay? And just, you know, do your thing, all right? Do your scoop, scoop, scoop. So guys, as you see me straightening this hair, it tells you that we are done. Thanks for sticking with me right to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright, how do I look? You can also wear this style as a side part. Tell me which one is your favorite at the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye.